This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. If you don't change, you choose. Looking forward to 2025, many of us are making resolutions. However, a resolution is a wish. Real change requires your commitment to real change. So what do you want to change next year? Let's look at some possibilities. Do you want to gain more knowledge or develop a skill that you currently lack? Are you stagnated in your current occupation, lacking opportunity and growth? Is your health declining due to illness, lifestyle, or an accident? Do you need better friends who want to improve your life, as opposed to your current fair weather friends? Are you consumed by worry over debt or declining income? If any of these issues seem familiar, remember you must change something in order to improve. First, you must seriously commit to making the changes necessary to achieve your goal. If you don't change, you've accepted your current life. Put a note on your refrigerator, on your mirror, on your computer. Change your phone's home screen to say, "I commit to change to improve my life." You must commit to action even before stating your goal. Second, clearly state and write out your goal. Remember, your goal must pass the S.M.A.R.T test. That's S.M.A.R.T. It must be specific, clearly stating what you want to accomplish. It must be measurable, a goal that can be expressed as a number. You must hold yourself accountable to achieve this goal. Your goal must be realistic, otherwise you will set yourself up for failure. And it must be timely, stating the date by which your goal must be met. For instance, I will increase my income in 2025 by 50% by October 31st. That goal is specific and measurable, and you are accountable for its achievement. It is lofty but realistic and must be achieved by a certain date. Third, list all the factors keeping you from achieving your goal. These can be other people, your attitude or effort, your lack of knowledge, your lifestyle, your health, and or your stamina, your debt or your credit, your friends, maybe even your family. Remember that you need real reasons, not excuses. Now number these in the order of importance to you. Now you have the steps required to meet and or exceed your goal. Fourth, attack and complete these steps. If you need a mentor, hire one. If you require additional knowledge, find it and learn it. If your job is holding you back, change it. If your friends are holding you back, change them. Make the changes that you wrote down in your steps to achieve your goal. If you make a mistake, learn from it and keep moving forward. Remember, life rewards action. Keep moving toward your goal. Fifth, celebrate your wins, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem to you. We all need the affirmation we receive by celebrating our achievements. Winning creates a greater desire for even more winning on our way to reach our goal. With your commitment to your goal, aided by the right plan and tempered by your positive attitude, 2025 will be your best year yet. And remember, if you don't change, you choose. And that is today's Morning Minute.